or video calls. Now let's look at the app. It's intuitive, modern, and packed with controls. You can adjust voice, focus in real time, tweak your EQ settings, and even create your own tinnitus relief soundscapes. Perfect for work, relaxation, or sleep. And guys, this is wild. Elehear has real-time AI translation built in for Spanish, French, Mandarin, Japanese. 11 languages supported. We tested everyday conversations and it was shockingly fluid. And if you're commuting, gaming, or just want clearer calls and conversations, the Elehear Beyond lets you move seamlessly through your day. The battery